Hey there, WordPress enthusiasts. Guys, if you ever wanted to streamline your workflow for sending new WordPress post links to all your subscribers on their emails, then you are in luck because today I'm going to share with you an automation technique by which you can send your WordPress post to all your subscribers directly in their email inbox using Microsoft Outlook emails. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding, super simply, and it is going to save a lot of your time and manual efforts. So let's set up this automation together. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect tool, which is an integration and automation SaaS product. Okay. And here, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste this same link in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflows. So I'm giving the name here as WordPress posts. Alright, so after giving such kind of names, you can click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with our automations are based on these two logic conditions. Trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. Okay. So here in our use case, publishing a post in WordPress is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to send the post link to the subscribers that you have on their emails. Okay. So here, guys, it is asking to choose the trigger application. So we are going to choose WordPress here. Okay, select it. Then you have to select the trigger event as new post published. Okay. And it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with WordPress, and after following these steps, we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay. So let's follow the instructions. First of all, you need to open your WordPress dashboard, and here you have to install a plugin which is called WP Webhooks. And after getting installed, you will find it here inside the left hand side panel in the settings. You can see under settings we have this WP Webhooks option. Click on it, and here on this page and inside WP Webhooks you will find this send data option. Click on it. Under send data, guys, you will find these options, and from the left hand side you will find this WordPress option, and here you have to select post created option. Click on post created, and under post created click on this add webhook URL button, and here you can give a name to this webhook connection that you are creating. So I am giving the name as send post links. Okay. And here you have to paste this URL that you got from your workflow. Just copy it and paste it here inside this field like this, and then click on add for post create, and you can see the connection has been created, and you can find the connection on the last place in these list of connections. Okay, this is the send post link connection. From here, click on these three dots and open the settings of this connection. Under settings, select the trigger on selected post type. So select post option from here. So a post is going to trigger the workflow, and when this post is published. Okay, we have draft and pending review options as well. You can select the options according to your needs. Okay, I am selecting published option, and here scroll down and click on save settings. Alright, so we are now done creating a connection. Now you can close this, and here you can see, guys, as we have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. This means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually create a post inside WordPress, a test post, and the data of that test post is going to be fetched here in this response section as I'm going to publish it. Okay, so we are going to create that post just for setting up this automation. Okay, so let me just go back to my WordPress dashboard. Here I'm clicking on this new button, and from here click on post option. Okay, and from here you can create a new post. So I'm giving the name of the post as new test post. Okay, this is the title of the post. Here you can provide a description, you can attach media, feature images, you have many options, but right now we are just testing this thing. So I'm just going to put a test description as this is for setting up our automation for sharing posts. Okay, post links. Okay, this is a small description I'm providing. If you want to attach images, you can do it. We can have many options here. You can use them. Right now, I'm just going to publish this post, and here you will find the publishing option. Here is the publishing option. Click on publish. All right, so this test post is getting published, and as it's going to be published, the data of that post is going to be captured in our workflow. So here you can see, guys, the post is published right now. You can view the post as well. And if you do not want that everyone should see this post, you can change the visibility setting as well. And here let's see, the response is captured, you can see in the workflow, and it started showing these details. The post is uncategorized right now, and this is the post link, and these are the details. Okay, now I want to share this post link, this post permalink, to all the subscribers I have. And guys, I have the list of my subscribers saved inside my spreadsheet here in Google Sheets application. So I want to share the link of my post to all these people. Okay, for that to happen, I'm going to connect this sheet here inside this actions tab. So search for Google Sheets application here. Okay, in the actions tab, and then select the action event as get rows. Okay, so by clicking on get rows, by using this action event, we can get the details of the subscribers that we have saved in the spreadsheet. Okay, so click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. From this window, you have to select that Google account by which you have created the spreadsheet. Select that account, and you have to provide some additional access to that account as well. That is completely safe. Just click on continue from here, and you will be connected. You can see the authorization is successful, and we are now connected. Okay, and here it will ask to select the spreadsheet in which you have the details. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets you have, and this is my spreadsheet named as all subscribers list. So I'm going to select this name from here, all subscribers list. Here it is, you can see I'm selecting it. Then it will ask for the sheet's name. So I have only one sheet here named as sheet 1, so it will be selected from here. Then it will ask for the range of data from where you want to get the details. So to get this range here, you have to open the spreadsheet and start selecting the data from the second row, okay, where you have started filling the details of your subscribers, and select this first row, and in the name box you will find this range. It is showing A2:C2. This means that you have the data starting from column A, row number 2, and it is ending at column C. And when you select whole of this list, it will show you the whole range, okay, C23, and it is ending at column C, row number 23. So this is the range of data we have. Let me just enter the data, the range here, A2:C. So guys, if this list is a static list, you can put C23 here, and if it is a dynamic list, that means you are adding or subtracting the rows here in the spreadsheet. You can just put the range dynamically as well. You just have to put C only, not the row number. That means we are saying to the workflow that we have the data starting from column A, row number 2, and it is ending at column C, but we do not know at which row it is going to end. So we are not providing the end row here. Okay, so this is how you can put the dynamic range. Now by clicking on save and send test request button, you can get the details of all the rows that you have. But before clicking here, toggle this simple response button to off. Okay, why we are doing this, I'll tell you. Just toggle this off and click on save and send test request, and you got the data in the response section. So guys, when we toggle this simple response button to off, we get the data always in this array format. Here you can see we got the array in which we have the data of all the subscribers. So why we have fetched this data in this array format? Because now we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called iterator. So what iterator will do, iterator is going to segregate this array in one by one form, and it is going to make this workflow run for each and every row that you have in your spreadsheet and send the details to every subscriber one by one starting from the first. Okay, so to apply iterator, just click here on this plus icon and select iterator feature by Pabbly Connect, and here it will ask to choose your array. So here we got the array in this response result label in the previous step. So you just have to click here and it will show you the previous step and the result label here only. From here you can select it and then click on save and send test request, and it will give you this detail. This is showing us the detail of the first row. Okay, here you can see in the spreadsheet the first row have dummy user and started showing here. So that's how it is going to work for the first row, then for the second, then for third, and for so on till the last row. Okay, right. And after that, the last step was to send the emails using Microsoft Outlook application. So search for Microsoft 365 package here, under which Outlook is one thing. Okay, and the action event would be send emails. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Office 365, and then it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. But if you are logged in like me, it will just ask you to provide the required access to be given. Okay, so here it started asking for all these access to be given, so just click on yes from here and you will be connected with Office 365 under which Microsoft Outlook is there. Okay, so you can see the authorization successful. We are now connected, and here it is asking for the subject. So I'm providing the subject of the email as new post on our website. Okay, you can give any other subject as well. Select the content as plain text. Here you can provide the whole content of the email. So let me type the email here. So guys, I have written a small email here. Hey there, we hope you are doing great. We just published a new post on our website. Here is the link. So after this link, I want to place the link of a new post. So guys, I'm going to map the link of the post that we got here in the first step. This is the test post link, and I'm going to map this label here in this email so that every time you are going to post a new post on WordPress, the link will be updated here and will be sent to your subscribers in this email. So guys, here you can see as I'm clicking here after link, it started showing the previous steps. So from the first step, I'm going to map the post permalink. Okay, like this. And this label will be updated every time you are going to publish a new post. Okay, here it is asking for the recipient's email address that we are going to map from the iterator step, where we have segregated the data of our subscribers. So every time this is going to work, this is going to run. That means you are going to publish a post. The iterator is going to send the emails one by one to all the subscribers. Okay. So you can check your connection as well by clicking on save and send test request button, and this test email will be sent to this email address. Let me show you the demo of this also. So guys, let's say this is the email inbox of one of my subscriber, and let us check our connection. I have added this email address in the recipient list. Here I am clicking on save and send test request button, and we got this response. And let's check our email inbox if we got a new email. And here we got a new email, guys, and you can see the subject new post on our website, and here is the email. Hey there, we hope you're doing great, and here is the link of the post, and from here your subscribers can reach your post like this. Okay, right? So this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in the workflow. It will work silently in the background, and whenever you are going to publish a new post on your website, the post link will be delivered to all your subscribers automatically. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.